Bitch, so.
You a bitch, nigga. I'll take these cuffs off and slap you, nigga.
Alright.
Pussy ass. Yeah, alright, do it then. Pussy ass nigga. Pussy ass nigga.
Why the fuck you put him in the car for? He wasn't in here.
Hey, so what happened? Why they got you back here?
I don't know, bro. These
Yo, what y'all
niggas
niggas
pussy.
doing? Yo, what you aiming your gun at my head for, bro?
Why you arresting him?
Why you aiming your gun at my car for?
They on my dick.
So here's the question, right? Why you arresting him?
For nothing.
Hey, don't answer no questions. We do not
He
hold
ain't even
court in
do
the
nothing,
street.
bro.
So
He didn't even do shit.
Nah, we seen him on body cam.
You didn't see nothing on body cam, nigga.
Yo, Sosa, keep the stack, nigga. I'm gonna post my POV, nigga. I bet you any money it's not him. If it's not him, nigga, I'm suing you, nigga.
They got cameras on the store.
They be alright. These niggas pussy.
And watch,
Not worrying about
book
these
this
niggas.
nigga when you
Where
book
my
him.
dad? Slap
Send
this
to Angel,
nigga.
nigga.
There's cameras on the store. They gonna see him come around the store.
Exactly. I'm gonna sue y'all.
Fuck is you talking
Okay,
about?
come. Alright, come. Alright. Get a lawyer.
Get that together.
Word, I already got it. Nigga's good, nigga.
Yo, bro, niggas arresting me
Alright,
for
well,
nothing, bro. These niggas is crazy.
And I'm gonna get you
Okay, I'm gonna
fired,
transfer
bro.
him to
You're
the.
getting fired, nigga.
Wait.
Like, what? Why am I going to jail?
Hold on. Before you leave, what's your badge
Bro,
name?
What are you guys doing? Chill out. Go park the car real quick.
Let me park the car. I cannot hear, bro.
Why are you what are you doing, bro?
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Get me out the car then.
I can't hear.
Name his badge.
Alfonso, what you say? Y'all get on my face,
Hey,
bro.
hold on. Y'all stay right here.
Why he in the back of the car?
For nothing,
You be
bro.
arrested. Bag up before you be arrested. Watch out.
You can't arrest niggas for no reason, nigga. What's wrong with this
Where I
nigga?
live at. Suck my
What the fuck is this nigga talking about?
Yeah, that's why your ass going